The subject of today's video is how to write the email subject line or the hook for your emails that are sent to your customer lists that will grab their attention and thereby increase your open rates and eventual sales. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I began my affiliate marketing career in December of 2020, and I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison. And I want to pass on to you what's working for me and what does not. When sending sales copy emails for the first time or multiple times with your autoresponder email system, the strength of your subject line can determine your success. Now, these fundamental email marketing tips can be applied to any email the next time you're crafting an important subject line. Number one, give it a hook. And the first hook is ask a question. For example, why do most online businesses fail? And this comes under the subheading of education and FYI and asking a question. Then make the answer in your email body a logical solution. The next hook is a story hook. For example, how this Missouri high school dropout made his first $1 million online. Then, of course, there must be a relevancy between the story and the product or service you are selling. The make a promise hook. For instance, get your financial freedom back now, or the fear of missing out on a promise. That would be, this free marketing course ends at midnight. The next hook is remind them of a problem. For example, is making money online a scam? This involves, the problem involves a threat, a warning, or possible pain, such as an email trying to sell you a home alarm system or why buy travel business insurance. Think about how you can summarize the purpose of your email in just a few wow words. Your email rate depends on it. Your email open rate depends on it. In fact, studies have found that a whopping 33% of email recipients open emails based only on the subject line. Create a subject line that grabs your customer's attention right away. For instance, your very first email, which should go out as soon as they register for your product or service, could say, please verify your email address. And then others down the line could say, do you know the dirty truth about making money online? Or do you want to make more money online? And the next is make it short and sweet. Nothing says no thanks like a subject line going from a few words to a long sentence. You only have about 7 seconds to make a brilliant first impression, and your subject line is no different. Not to mention Contact Monkey's discovery that 40% of emails are opened on mobile first, where the average mobile screen can only fit 4 to 7 words max. It may take a few tries, but try to make your subject line between 30 and 50 characters tops. Next, be direct. Are you sharing an event time or details? Have you some urgent questions that you need answered right away? Don't wait for the body of the email to explain your urgency. Let them know right away. For instance, start your subject line with event details or urgent question so that the purpose for your email is immediately clear. Next, timing is the key. Together with a perfect subject line and the time you send the email will make an unstoppable email. You don't want to send your email late after work hours or too early before the day even begins. These are the times people are less likely to open your email. Think about the purpose as it relates to when you should send it. For instance, are you sending an email about happy hour? Send that thirsty email right around 5 p.m. when the workday is winding down. Send it at the right time. Again, send it at the right time. Best times to send an email are 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and send some at 9 p.m. You just mix it up. Don't always send your emails at the same time. Mix them up. Tuesdays and Thursdays are the two best days. However, most successful marketeers send emails to their customers almost every day. However, weekends will have the lowest open rate. And finally, caps and exclamation points don't work in your subject line. Using caps and exclamation points may get the receiver's attention, but not in a positive way. Crafting your subject line with the loud use of special characters and caps will send your email straight to spam. In fact, according to GetResponse, more than 85% of respondents refer an all lowercase subject line to one that's all in caps. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that is the best and most up-to-date on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. To get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, just click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video. To your continued success.